This router sucks. It sucks, so I had to purchase another router. I will be taking it apart because I have nothing better to do. So I have two choices of tools: hammer and axe, or I have a smaller multi-tool that I could probably use to take this apart in a safer way. So I guess I will unfortunately have to resort with this smaller multi-tool. I'm not smart, so I don't know the name of all of these parts, but I know these are the antennas. I don't see any screws visibly on here, so let's try to find out how we can do this. Oh, usually I'm so smart! So let's take off all of those 4 pieces. They tricked me. Okay, and I got this final one off. And you can see that there's a screw in there. So now, let's unscrew this. This reminds me of 7th grade, I think. I was in a STEM class. Our first project, I think, it was to do reverse engineering. Simply, we had to take apart some random machine or piece of tech we had at home, and we pasted it to a board, naming what each part was. And it was really fun. So maybe my subconscious remembered how fun that was, and that's what actually brought me to do this today. Gosh, look, it's such a cute screw. This is stupid. Now we can try using strength, which doesn't work. Oh, something opened. Okay, something definitely broke. Or it sounded like it did. But we'll keep this part to the side. Look, this is cool. I kind of knew what this was. This is the CPU. I'm pretty sure. Okay, that's the only piece that looks identical with this diagram I found online. Okay, I couldn't get a top-down shot, so this is the best I can do. So one screw taken out, another screw taken out. Oh, something broke. Ow! Okay, I don't think I can put this back together anymore. Okay, this last piece doesn't want to. Oh, just kidding. Oh, you know what would be funny? Oh, did you need a router? Here you go. You can just break apart all of these pieces. These are the LEDs that light up when stuff is happening in here. Oh, there are these smaller screws here. Oh, there are dead bugs in here. Oh, I hate bugs, so I'm just gonna remove the bugs to unscrew these small parts. But the thing is, these screws are so old, it won't turn. Just kidding, it will, but the screw is breaking. Oh my gosh, I broke the screw. Do you see this? I can't. It crumbled. Pieces are just crumbling off of the screw because it's so old. Okay, let's try the next one. This one also broke. All the screws are breaking. We have 2 more screws. Oh, just kidding. This one is. They're all breaking. This is a terrible, terrible company using unsustainable material. This is their marketing tactic. Let's just. Oh! Oh! I got a piece off. Look, it's so cute. It looks like a toaster. No, it looks more like the Minecraft, the coal coal stove. You could also do melt iron, make iron bricks. It looks like that. Or a plier. So, some things just flew. This is why scientists have lab goggles, because things can just fly into your eye. But actually, oh, you see that? That almost went into my eye. Now I will use my blue light. I learned my lesson. Okay, I don't even know if it's LED. It's probably just some random. Because I'm hungry, I think this is the most I'll do. Oh, it's the button part. Okay, I'm gonna take that part off for sure because I like buttons. This button. Okay, I'll use strength because violence. Just kidding, not violence. Strength solves many things. No, the button doesn't button anymore. The button doesn't button. Okay, I don't want it anymore. I'm gonna take this part off because it looks like a cannon or some kind of cute thing. But unfortunately, it's welded on very strongly. So I'm so sad the button doesn't work anymore. So I shouldn't have used my strength. No, there's another button right here. Oh my gosh. Okay, we have a chance at redemption. Oh, it's still buttons. No, I broke the whole button part. Like the button just came off. Rip button. Oh, took off the button part right here. And then this metal piece came off. If I put it back in here and then put the broken button piece on here. Do you hear that? It still makes the button noise. Yeah. Okay, this is my favorite part of what I did. So what I learned from this reverse engineering experience, there's a toaster looking piece in a router. I know what it is actually for, but I'm just trying to be funny. But it also does look like a toaster. Like a mini oven. So that's what I learned. A router has a mini oven. They have buttons. This is the button for the reset. So when you try to factory reset the button, like right here, this small button where you need some kind of needle or really thin thing, it's actually a bigger button, but it's just the encasing is super small. So to poke the reset button, they just created a smaller plastic opening so that you don't accidentally press it and reset your whole router and you have to configure everything again. That's so smart. You know, people are so smart. I wish I just had like a melting thing so I could take apart things better and look into stuff more. But I think that's all I did. That's all I can physically do with the tools I have right now. So yeah, actually we can't just end it right here. Look at how messy this is. The end isn't just when you finish, but the end is after you clean up. That is what I heard from my mom, I think. Let's enclose this casing. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Oh. This router is an L. And then, yay! Thank you for coming along with me on my reverse engineering journey.